What's going on, fellas? New guys in my breaks, welcome. Thanks for joining. Let me know in the comments where you guys are from. Also, everybody just, let me know what teams you got tonight. Clyde Mahomes. Big E from Blaine, as in Blaine, Minnesota. PA. JJ Watt. Miami. Nice, I live in Woodbury. Yeah, he does. That's a hard one to hit, but we'll see what we can do. All right, guys. There'll be 3 autos. Hopefully, they're 3 good ones. Hopefully, sometimes it's not bad, actually, to get rewards points if sometimes the autos actually aren't that good, and rewards points are actually worth more. But hopefully, we can get some 3 good autos for you guys. Hit some good rookies as well. So a 3 mega break. There's 40 cards in each box, 120 total. If you guys have any questions on anything, don't be afraid to DM me on Instagram or message me on eBay after. I will put the replay of this up on my YouTube page right after the break's done, and this IG page if you guys want to watch a replay of it. All right. 3-box break will go pretty quick here. Let's get to it, guys. Good luck, everybody. All right. Starting off, we got Barry Sanders. Got a Josh Allen base. Got a silver Darius Leonard. And we have a rookie LaVisca. Not too shabby. Josh Allen, a silver. Nobody, not a rookie, but in a LaVisca. Decent first pack. All right, we got a Alvin Kamara, Marlon Humphrey, we got a Zeke, and a Josh Uche. Aaron Donald, Deontay Johnson, got a Nick Chubb hype, and a Yatir Gross-Matos. I will do a review at the end. There's usually with these megas, it's not a ton of reviews just because it's a lot of the time it's all or nothing with the autos. But all right, we got a Danielle Hunter, Devontae Parker, Alshon Jeffrey, and we got a potential Burrow. Nope, T. Higgins. T. Higgins base. Hold on a second, I'll let my dog out. Had the potential to be a Burrow, but ended up being a T. Higgins. Better than a, what is that, Logan Wilson. All right, we have a green hyper in this one. We got Rondé Barber, Javon Curse, non-auto, Tyrod Taylor, wrong Chargers quarterback, and a Chase Claypool base card. Hitting a few decent base rookies. Next pack, we got Eric Armstead, Sam Darnold, Zach Ertz, and a Jake Luton-Free. I think we have the auto on this one. Is it rewards points or auto? We'll see. Grady Jarrett, Drew Lock. The rookie is Darrington Evans. And it is an auto. Yeah, don't get me started. Damon Arnett. Raiders. Yeah, I'm trying to avoid the Super Bowl hype stuff this week like the plague. Still recovering. Yeah, I had money on him too. Sorry about your Bills, right? Are you a Vegas fan? I can't remember. I think you had the Bills in my break, but yeah, you're a Raiders fan. Yeah, it was a rough one. Tyler Higbee, Jalen Smith, Jalen Ramsey. Thanks, man. Here we go. Tua base. It's pretty centered as well. Tua, his cars are plummeting in price. I think people think that he's going to get replaced possibly. All right, we got a Phil Rivers Honey Badger. Go harder, go home of Zeke. And a Gabriel Davis base rookie card. Last pack of box one. Got a Devin White, TJ Watt, Marvin Jones, and a James Prochet. All right, that's it for box one. Got what, Damon Arnett rookie auto and Tua base. Decent box, not the greatest box, but could be worse. Hit at least a Tua base. All right, box two. Kyle Rudolph, Mike Williams. We have a fireworks of Aaron Donald. And it's got the right color. It's got the right helmet. It is Herbert. That's centered. Man, we're hitting the good base rookie cards for sure tonight. Chargers, I know you're hunting for that auto, but at least you got a base Herbert. All right, we got an Austin Hooper. Chris Carson. We got the auto in this one. Denzel Mims. And it's another rookie. I've hit this rookie quite a bit, actually. Auto, or Xavier McKinney. It's always the guy that only got a team for $3 that ends up getting the autos. Or $4 or whatever. I don't think the Giants, I think the Giants just went for 4. Ended up getting an auto out of it. Put that Damon Arnett in a hard case. So, 2 autos so far. Damon Arnett and a Xavier McKinney. Yeah, that Herbert looks centered to me. All right, we got a Mark Andrews, Preston Smith, got a LaVisca Emergent, and a Devin Asiasi. Next pack. You have any teams on this one, Mike? Paris Campbell, AJ Brown. I don't think I saw your name. Chris Godwin and a AJ Epineza. Curtis Samuel, Kalen Ballage, Jonathan Allen, Jeremy Chin. Got a green hyper in this one. Devin Singletary, Ian Thomas. It's a rookie. It's going to be a Redskin. Could it be a Chase Young? It is. Very nice. Chase Young, green hyper, and a Christian Fulton behind it. This is a pretty good break. Herbert Tua, green hyper, Chase Young. Nice. It's hard to get a good rookie in those green hypers. Justin Tucker, Joey Bosa, George Kittle, Noah Abanigeni, another green hyper in this one. Jalen Ramsey, Frank Clark, Ricky Williams, oops, and a Logan Wilson. Still hunting for that Joe Burrow to cap off the Tua Herbert Burrow, but all right, 2 packs to go. Miles Jack, Warren Moon, DJ Moore, Kenneth Murray. I was going to say we're going to get another Herbert. That would have been something. All right, we got Baker, Deshaun Jackson. Got a silver. It's a rookie at Zach Bond. Zach Bond's the only rookie in that color. That's how I knew it was Zach Bond. And CJ Henderson. All right, guys. 2 boxes down, 1 to go. Chiefs guy, have you pulled the Chiefs yet? I'm trying to think. I don't know if there has been a Chiefs pulled yet. Yeah, I'll put the replay on this Instagram page right after the break's done, and then I'll upload it to YouTube as well, which takes like 15 minutes. So if you want to watch it right away, you can just watch it on here. I'll also do a review at the end, too, of all the hits. But Miles Jack, Matt Stafford, Chris Carson, Quez Watkins. Bills and Broncos. I won't spoil it for you, but Mark Andrews, Austin Eckler, got a hype of DJ Shark, and a Thaddeus Moss, Randy Moss's son. He tore his ACL last year, but he should be playing this year. There's a Bills for you, Josh Allen, Derwin James, Aaron Jones, and an Anthony Jennings, Patriots. Got a green in this one. Allen Robinson, Demario Davis, Austin Hooper. There's a Jerry Jeudy for you. All right, we got Marlon Humphrey. There's your one Chiefs player. Tardif. Got a silver. It's a rookie. Rams, Van Jefferson. Not bad. Silver rookie. And a James Morgan. Thought that could have been a Jalen Hurts. Van Jefferson, silver. Not too shabby. Actually pull him in silver quite a bit. All right, TJ Watt, Melvin Gordon, Preston Smith, and a Antonio Gibson. Written a lot of Redskins rookies. Got a Phillip Rivers, Miles Sanders, Jerry Rice, and Justin Jefferson maybe? Yeah, nice. Justin Jefferson. It's a pretty good break. That's a very centered card. This one. Top and bottom. All the way around, that's very centered. Nice hit for Vikings. Get that one graded. I haven't looked at the surface, but everything else looks, centering-wise, looks really good. All right, we got a Sam Darnold, DJ Moore, Unstoppable of Jalen Smith, and a Raekwon Davis. 2 packs to go. That auto is hiding. Baker, Chris Godwin, James Prochet, and a Javon Kinlaw. All right, last pack. Hopefully there's an auto in here. There is. All right, Kalen Ballage with an Emmitt Smith. Back card is a Jason Huntley, Detroit. And it's another rookie. It is a Noah Abanagani. Wrong, Dolphin. Still, Dolphins guy. Got a Tua and that, not bad. All right, guys. I will do a review here quick. Like I said, I'll put this review on Team on Green. What does that mean? All right, we had, I'll put that with the other ones. James Prochet, Green Hyper. We had a Justin Jefferson base, that's very centered. Antonio Gibson. We had a silver Van Jefferson. Jerry Jeudy. LaVisca. Chase Claypool. T. Higgins. Another LaVisca. Auto, we had a Noah Bonageni. We had a Green Hyper Chase Young. Damon Arnett auto. Xavier McKinney auto. Along with the Herbert and the Tua. All in all, not a bad break. Chiefs did not have a good break. Who else didn't? Packers didn't. Eagles didn't. But all right, guys. Anybody have any questions on anything? Chiefs guy, I'll send you some Chiefs cards. Not in the hits. I mean, there was some Josh Allen's, Gabriel Davis that I remember, but nothing in the review pile that I put. You'll get all. I sent all the cards. You'll get them. I just didn't put it in the review pile. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, Chiefs guy, I'll send you something. I have some Chiefs in my personal collection. I can throw you a couple. All right, guys. Thanks for bidding, and have a good night, guys. I'll see you soon, hopefully.